yo. Hey yo. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hey, Sonny boy. Yeah. It's the camera. That's the camera. Yeah, it's such a big world, so much to see and do. Yep, kind of spilled some alfalfa pellets there as I was bringing it in. Well, Daddy looks a little sleepy there, son. He's old and confused. I don't care, I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna sock him. I'm gonna sock you good. I'm gonna get you, sucker. Oh. Come on, Daddy-o, let's go. Don't eat Daddy's beard. Hey, son. You're a good old boy. You're a good old boy. You got a nice spot there? Little one? Hey! What do you do? Well, hello. Well, no. Yeah. Sinbad. Hey. Damn it. Ow. Yeah, you're cute. Yeah, ow, you little... His horns are sharp. I don't care. Oh. What are you doing? Sinbad! Would you stop? Sinbad, you're weird. You're strange and different. Now you let your brother sleep now. He's had a long day. He's had to walk and eat grass. Yeah, you're cute. Yeah, okay. Ow, God. That little goat butt. Come on, guys. I've only got one lap. Can't you... Sinbad! Come on, Sinbad. Can you give me like 5 minutes? Sinbad, you are very strange and different. Oh, just because I'm different. Mommy, why does Daddy have floppy ears? Oh, I don't rightly know. What are you doing? Just gotta see what's under there. I'll step over your sister. Almost got that good milk. You guys getting some of that? Hey, that's private. Oh. Alright, well you guys continue on with your little hootenanny hullabaloo.